Shortly afterwards, official talks are held between the two countries to discuss issues of common interest. At the luncheon meeting of the Auckland Regional Chamber of Commerce, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi.
Our highest national priority is our war on poverty. It is a war that we are winning. In the last 5 years, over 100 million people have been raised above the poverty line. At the pace we are progressing, we bid fair to attain the prospective planned targets of ridding ourselves of abject poverty by the turn of the century. The eradication of poverty is being achieved by combining a quantum jump in agricultural productivity with poverty alleviation programs aimed at the poorest of the poor.
At Fisher and Paykel Limited, the Prime Minister gets a glimpse of the industrial growth of New Zealand. The reception hosted by Mr. Longi, the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Mr. Rajiv Gandhi says,
India has always looked at challenges slightly differently from the traditional way of looking at challenges. When we were faced with a fight for independence, we didn't seek arms. We, in fact, challenged the greatest empire in the world through non-violent means.